Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can share Spotify music into your Instagram stories. So let's open Spotify. Let's search for a song you want to share. I'll just search some Bollywood song. Okay, I'll not play the song because of copyrights. Okay, so these are the songs by Arjit Singh. Suppose I want to share "Ya Dil Hai Mushkil." So here on the right side, this three vertical dots are there. Tab here, and you are in the music page. So in this page, you can see share. Just tap on share. Now here you can see WhatsApp, Instagram stories, Facebook, Messenger. So here just tap on Instagram stories, and now you are in your Instagram stories. So just tap send, and here tap on share, and below tap on done, and you are done. So let's see. Okay, so this is it guys. Likewise you can share Spotify music into your Instagram stories. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.